26-year-old man gets 3 years in rigorous imprisonment in 2006 Spaxmo-broxivone capsule seizure case. Mob snatches away murder accused from police at Thoubal district's Mojing Awanglekai. Police laid sieges to village, destroyed houses and properties, says local. Live bullet, last warning message left at table near office of Kamakhya Pemton College principal. GIS-based master plan of Greater Imphal 2043 will make Imphal sustainable regional growth centre and gateway to Asia, says RD&PR Minister Yumnam Kimjan. And the 6th edition of Queer Games 2023 begins. Yaul raises voice to create platform and safe space for LGBTQI community in sports. Kurumjay, good evening. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin on IS News, and this is Victoria Rajkumari. Now the top stories. Special Judge ND and PS Fast Track Court Manipur, Alec Muiva, today sentenced 26-year-old Mohammad Sikandar to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 3 years. The same court has convicted Mohammad Sikandar, son of Mohammad Nasir of Lilong Hainomakong, on February 28 under Section 21 Clause B of ND and PS Act for illegal possession of 360 pieces of Spaxmo-broxivone capsule on July 26, 2006. The convict was produced before the court from Manipur Central Jail Sajiwa for sentence hearing. The convict was arrested on July 16, 2006 by a team of NAB NAVT Manipur led by then Inspector Asem Chauba along with SP capsules along the National Highway Imphal More near Lilong Police Station at around 11 a.m. The court also ordered that the period of 37 days which the convict had already spent in judicial custody may be set off from the period of sentence awarded. A combined team of Imphal East District and Hengang Police arrested 2 persons in connection with a murder at Thoubal District's Mojing Awanglekai yesterday. The accused were identified as Mohammad Sirasuddin, alias Apik, aged 43 years, and Mohammad Jio Rahman, alias Manauton, aged 37 years. As they were being transported back to the police station, a mob of people carrying stones, bricks and sticks attacked the police vehicles and snatched away the 2 accused. In response, the police fired tear gas shells into the air. Later, around 10:30 p.m., additional police personnel were then dispatched to the scene and a nocturnal combing operation was conducted, leading to the arrest of 10 individuals suspected of involving in the attack. Unfortunately, the 2 men suspects were not recaptured. The suspects are now being held in the Thoubal police station and further legal action is being taken. Meanwhile, Mohammad Azad Khan, a resident of Mojing Awanglekai, condemned the police action in the village. He told pressmen that the police laid siege to the village and destroyed several houses and properties. He said that the police also fired tear gas shells at the houses when everyone was fast asleep. 10 residents, including students who are appearing in the ongoing Class 10 and 12 exams arrested by the police, are all innocent. He said the village has no objection to arrest of the 2 accused. He appealed to the authority to immediately release the 10 villagers. It is yet to be mentioned here that Mohammad Mustaqim, alias Miku, was gunned down by unknown people on February 24th last at the RAJKUMARI Masjid Maning. In connection with the case, the Imphal East District and Hengang Police came to Mojing Awanglekai to arrest the 2 murder accused when the residents resisted it.
Maral leiba mi ama tanarakpada laikai sibu punna nei thatpiba adagi chainau maral leitaba pharaga pubikiba hojik class 10 parikha ki thambagi nakna leijaraba matam sida angang singdu pharaga pubikre aduna maram oraga makoina police department na tawriba thabuk kitang akoida pen daba lei maral leiba mi du dandi pibiu phabiu kai chukai de jung kai thugai bire hojik loina adagi lekai sigi jum thugai da bam ta jaude adagi upulang bu loina thugai re sana lupa loina kaino mathong maram khangre gyan menta de nupi angang sing gyan menta de hojik adagi hojik leiriba phibam sida hojik akoina mi angang class 10 thagada ba angang sing jaukri masida mokoina phajan khisida sigi pochi chu yenga kanda kitang thuna sarta jaudo bida thadok piro mokoi maral leiba nati.
Manipur police said that they have recovered a live bullet along with a message on a paper reading a last warning from a table near the office of a college principal today. A senior police officer said that on a tip-off, a team of Wangoi police station rushed to an educational institute in Imphal West district. During the operation, the message on a paper written last warning KCP PWG along with the .38 caliber bullet was recovered from a table at the administrative block of the Kamukhya Pamton KP College, Hyangthang, about 11 km from Imphal at around 3 p.m. on Friday. The college teachers and staff condemned the acts of those placing the bullet at the educational institute while expressing their fear and apprehension over the threats. The college principal appealed to all concerned not to repeat such a fearful act in the future. The senior police officer speculated that the incident might be the handiwork of the Kanglipa Communist Party People's War Group, an underground outfit fighting for the state sovereignty. A case has been registered in this regard and investigation has been initiated. RD and PR Minister Yumnam Khemchand said that the GIS-based Master Plan of Greater Imphal 2043 will make Imphal a sustainable regional growth centre and gateway to Asia through land, infrastructure, socio-economic and environmental management. The minister was speaking during the state-level workshop on the GIS-based Master Plan of Greater Imphal for the Horizon Year 2043. At City Convention Centre in Palace Compound today. Minister Khemchand said that the preparation was taken up as a centrally sponsored scheme with 100% funding from the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Government of India. He added that the provisions laid down for preparation of a master plan in the Manipur Town and Country Planning Act 1975 has been followed during the preparation of the master plan. Khemchand pointed out that being an unplanned city, Imphal is facing a lot of urban issues, especially traffic congestion and market issues, among others. Stating that the workshop will further help in any positive rectification of the proposed plan, he said that the plan, which has engaged the School of Planning and Architecture Bhopal for the preparation will be a key to sustainable growth of Imphal city in all aspects. The minister further said that the area covered by the master plan, generally known as Greater Imphal Planning Area, in short GIPA, is 151.55 square kilometer, comprising of 27 wards of Imphal Municipal Corporation, 16 census towns, 5 outgrowths, and 56 villages as defined in the census 2011. He further said that the area of the Greater Imphal Planning Area has been increased from 135.29 to 151.55 square kilometers by adding 6 more revenue villages and parts of few villages to make the boundaries co-terminus with the village boundaries. He said that the population of the proposed Greater Imphal Planning Area in 2011 was 5.26 lakh, which is estimated to go up to 9.02 lakh in 2043, adding that the gross population density during 2011 in the GIPA was 35 persons per hectare, that is pph, and is estimated to increase up to 59 pph in 2043. The minister said that the main purpose of the master plan is to present policies and proposals to achieve a desirable standard of living, to create an efficient physical structure within which urban activities could take place, at the same time provide a good environment for living. The workshop program also include a presentation by Professor of SPA Bhopal, Nikhil Ranjan Mandal, and an interactive session moderated by retired Chief Town Planner N. RAJKUMARI. Chairman of PDA L. Rameshwar Mitay, Mahot Commissioner M. Joy, officials and many people took part in the event.
Ngasigi workshop si tangai padana tawjabagi maramdi town planning department na SPA Bhopal si carry ki decision lawraga engage tawraba matungda sigi thabak progress mathang laaga su ana fajana plan tawdaba manba kogi capital Bhopal sidida gari singkalaiba duga lambi masa mayam sida thoiba problem sing adigi kharawan gaithen gi leiriba kogi isu mayam si loina yengakanda not only sarkar kattana si initiate tawbna taba workshop ma tawrakanda tongan view lawraga rectify once again
The 6th edition of the Queer Games 2023 kick-started with a knockout football match at Cargo Football Artificial Turf at Ghari Airport Road. The event is organized by YAOL, a United Nations recognized first registered LGBTQI youth-led and focused organization based in Manipur, Imphal. Director and CEO of JCRE Skills and Solutions, Larenjam Niranjan, launched the tournament. Speaking to IS News, sports coordinator of YAOL, Arvind Laishram, said that YAOL has been voicing for creation of a platform for LGBTQI community in sports. Noting that there is less queer representation in sports in the state, he asserted that the event aims to promote inclusion of LGBTQI community in sports and raise public awareness of the community through sports and games. He further urged the public to extend their support and cooperation towards the same. 8 teams, that is Nesu Kurai, YSC, YAOL FC, Tiger Langtabal, Lion Langtabal, Sugar Auntie, Shims Kwakaitel and Fawai VFC competed in the tournament. In the semi-finals, Shims Kwakaitel thrashed Nesu Kurai by 8-1, while Sugar Auntie defeated Lion Langtabal by 2-1. In the finals, Shims Kwakaitel defeated Sugar Auntie to back the winner title. A 5K walkathon was also held in the afternoon. The walkathon, which started from Tidim ground in Kwakaitel, concluded at the initial point. Winners of both the events were given medals, gifts and certificates on the occasion. An LGBTQIA+ community meet-up will be held at Hill Wall Living Sangai Pro on the second day tomorrow. Founder and CEO of YAOL, Saddam Hanjabam, prior the Queer Games with a belief that sports as a medium will increase visibility and inclusivity of the queer community. The first edition was held in Imphal in March 2018. The second edition of 5 cities of Kohima, Mizoram, Darjeeling, Imphal and Guwahati in March 2019. The third edition was held on March 8, 2020 at Imphal and Guwahati, and the fourth edition on March 26 and 27 at Imphal and Mizoram. Every edition of the Queer Games is a reminder of the resilience, empowerment and a celebration of pride through sports.
Point Sindariba, the K6 edition, Queer Games, round 20, the Sindariba event, LGBTQI plus women, the focus tower, and the K6 assignments, and the football parameters, Massi in the 100 says that in Nipan and Saudi like Apuna see Kado Isling no Hamatamda. I sport is not too Sinaga, Puna, Jananda, Moisidi, Category, sport later, but the Mantapani platform.
Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan inaugurated a newly constructed extension building of Teramakong Youth Club and Library, Teramakong, under Konthoksam constituency today. Speaking at the event, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, who is the local MLA, highlighted the initiatives taken by the state government to curb drug abuse and smuggling in the society, asserting that the government launched the War on Drugs campaign with the sole objective to eradicate drug menace in the state. He mentioned that the Manipur Assembly adopted a resolution announcing all 60 MLAs of the state as warriors of drugs during the last sitting of the third session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly, which was adjourned sine die yesterday. Lauding the move taken by the legislatures, he further sought support and cooperation of the people to curb drug menace in the state. President of BJP Konthausam Mandal, Hidang Mayum Lal Kanhai, club members and locals took part in the event. Forward to Help or F2H, a helping hand group lent a helping hand to P. Kim Konem Kipgan from Laimakong and P. Hongang Hauke from Saitu. Both are widows and have nobody to look after them and are in need of assistance. On humanitarian ground, the group handed rupees 20,000 to them. F2H, a non-profit group, primarily focuses on the poor who were left out by the society with vision to bring prosperity and social justice into society. F2H group has so far reached out to 40 persons who are in need in the society. A two-day cleanliness competition MLA trophy kicked off at Soibam Laikai Citizens Club in Wangkai constituency today. The event is organized by Citizens Club prior to its 53rd annual Yaoqing Sports Festival 2023. Altogether, 4 panas, namely Wangbren, Marjing, Kobru and Thangjing panas, are participating in the competition. Speaking to media on the sidelines of the cleanliness competition, President of Citizens Club, Mahendra Nawaram, said that the cleanliness competition was launched considering the importance of maintaining hygienic surroundings, sound health, and also to encourage cleanliness among the localities. Talking about the 53rd annual Yaoqing Sports Festival, he said that the main purpose is to hunt the talented and inspiring youths in the field of games and sports at the local level. Also stressing on the efforts of the club in preserving and uplifting the arts and culture of Manipur, the president also informed that the sports festival will also witness penna and folk dance presentations by experts and students and urged the public to come and witness the festival. Yas Minister Govindas Konthausam and Wangkai MLA Thangjum Arun Kumar are expected to attend the main event tomorrow.
Laki tawjariba Citizens Club na numit nini chopna pangthok kadoriba ngasidagi haujaraga hayengok pangthok jagadoriba trophy asina Wangkai ikai kumna chariba 15 Wangkai ge Honorable MLA Siri Thangjam Arul Kumar na tauba adum laba MLA trophy ana mingoba Swan Service ne loina na Citizens Club ki annual sports festival tang taret tagi aikoi Honorable Minister Govindas Konthausam na koi chief guest warga pangthok kadoriba sports festival sigi mamangda numit nini chumna Citizens Club na pangthok chari se karigi damuktano hai targadi yauksangi sports khakna taba khwaidagi hena lu nanba aduga hauzik yamna societies da jaga punamakta mosal lakba mafam marang khangdaba drail leiraktaba mayam singse yenga matungda Citizens Club ki ahalaman singsina mase MLA trophy matam gi MLA na trophy sina mingauraga asumlaba annual sports festival gi mamangda pangthok si na takpirakpadagi aikoi sahi mari mangai mamangdagi MLA trophy se koi pangthok charakpane.
Indian Railways has decided to operate Northeast Discovery beyond Guwahati, specially designed tour to cover the northeastern states of India by Bharat Gaurav Deluxe AC tourist train. Spanning over 40 nights and 15 days, the train tour will start from Delhi Sabdarjung railway station on March 21, 2023 and will cover Guwahati, Shivasagar, Jorhat and Kaziranga in Assam, Unakoti, Agartala and Udaipur in Tripura, Dimapur and Kohima in Nagaland and Shillong and Cherrapunji in Meghalaya. Guests will be traveling roughly 5,800 kilometers in this entire tour by train. state-of-the-art deluxe AC tourist train with AC1 and AC2 class will accommodate a total 156 tourists. IRCTC has also tied up with Paytm and Razorpay payment gateways for providing EMI payment option to the customers. The Bharat God of Tourist Train launch is in line with the Government of India initiative Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat and Dekho Apna Desh to promote domestic tourism. As the political scenario in Meghalaya turns out to be quite blurry, it is being reported that a different alliance may form the government in the state, which will exclude the NPP and BJP. NPP Chief Conrad Sangma met the Governor of Meghalaya to stake claim to form the new government on March 3rd. Sangma claimed that he had the support of 32 MLAs and was scheduled to take oath on March 7th. However, later in the night, the Hill State People's Democratic Party, HSPDP, said it had withdrawn the support from the National People's Party NPP-led government. Sources said that following the withdrawal, all the parties in the state had a discussion to form the government in an alliance. The meeting had representatives from all parties except for BJP and NPP. The meeting also had TMC and UDP representatives who, along with the Congress, may lead the government in the state. While no confirmation on what the equation on the position may be between the parties, the source said that the alliance will have MLAs of UDP, TMC, Congress, PDF and HSPDP as well as one independent MLA. The total number of support claimed by the alliance is 31 MLAs, which may be announced soon. While some reports stated that the alliance will also be given a new name. The source added that UDP will hold the Chief Minister's post, while TMC will hold the Speaker's position in the State Assembly. It's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching IS News.
Ana Layengi office ki thabak amadi koi bachat pada India ki konung New Delhi da laifam laitaba ki awaba kok lagani. Delhi airport kayam naknana lairiba Mahipalpur da Manipur miyam ki damakta laizare Hotel Ambrosia. Laifam ki oina lupa lising amadagi hauraga pung kunmari pickup amadi drop ki taxi service laigani. Restaurant service ka loinana tongan ba khudong chaba kaya phangbigani. Vishal Mega Mart, Ambience Mall, DLF Mall amadi irap laptana nungairaba mafam kaya yobada khudong charaba mafam amani. Ngasi ma contact tawbirau Hotel Ambrosia A217 Road number 6 Mahipalpur. Phone number 9643504772.
Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin on IS News. Now proceeding with other news. President Draupadi Murmu today launched the Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain 2023 campaign in New Delhi. The theme of the campaign is Source Sustainability for Drinking Water. Speaking at the event, President Draupadi Murmu said that water conservation and management are the most important issues for India, as only 4% water resources are available in the country. She said traditional water conservation ways have disappeared in the country due to unplanned urbanization. She underlined that due to it, the world is facing the issues of water scarcity and global warming. The President stressed the need to restore and manage traditional methods of water conservation while adopting new technologies. Recognizing the roles of women in water conservation and sanitation, the President conferred the Swachh Sujal Shakti Samman 2023 under various categories of the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, Jal Shakti Mission and National Water Mission. The President also launched a video on Jal Shakti Se Nari Shakti and commemorative stamp on the occasion. In the last 24 hours, Manipur reported 0 coronavirus case. According to the latest updates from the Manipur COVID-19 control room, altogether 42 samples tested in the same hours returned negative for the virus. The case tally remains at 1,39,924, while the death toll remains static at 2,149. Meanwhile, India reported just 333 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. The new infections took the country's total caseload to over 4.46 crore, while active coronavirus caseload has increased to 2,686. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll stands at 5,30,775, with 2 new deaths in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the number of people who have recuperated from the disease has gone up to 4,41,54,035, with 170 recoveries in the last 24 hours. The country's recovery rate stands still at 98.81%. Over 220.64 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Top 3 states contributing a maximum number of COVID-19 cases to India's tally are Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. Meanwhile, in the northeast India, Assam has the highest number of active cases, followed by Mizoram and Meghalaya. COVID-19 has infected over 68 crore 5 lakh, while more than 68 lakh 4,000 have succumbed to the dreaded coronavirus, and recoveries are above 65 crore 33 lakh. Globally, United States of America, USA, has the highest COVID-19 cases, followed by India and France. Now the sports news. Neroka FC is playing home against Mohammedan SC at the Kuman Lampak main stadium on March 5th in the round of 21 of I-League. Mohammedan SC will miss the services of Abhishek and Kima. Mohammedan SC coach Kibu Vishuna, during a pre-match press briefing today, said that Abhishek is not travelling due to an injury he suffered during the last match. Kima received a suspension and will not be a part of the match tomorrow. On his approach to the match against Neroka, the coach said there is no chance for the team to qualify for the playoffs, but they still have 2 games to play and will like to finish the table as high as possible. Neroka head coach Khogen Singh said Neroka is still a good team and will put up a strong fight against the visiting team. He continued that his team is free from relegation, but the team consider every game to be important. As he put, quote-unquote, we play for our club, our fans and family, and our players are motivated and will give their best and try to win the match. History will be made today when the 5-team Women's Premier League WPL 2023 begins in Navi Mumbai. After years of wait and planning, the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has finally been able to organize the standalone T20 franchise-based cricket league for women on the lines of popular Indian Premier League. The 5 teams taking part in the inaugural edition of WPL are Mumbai Indians MI, Royal Challengers Bangalore RCB, Delhi Capitals DC, UP Warriors UPW and Gujarat Giants GG. India captain Harmanpreet Kaur has been named as MI captain, while opener Smriti Mandhana will lead RCB's women's team. Australia's successful skipper Meg Lannon will be at the helm of Delhi Capitals, while Beth Mooney has been named as captain for Gujarat Giants. Australian wicket-keeper and batter Alisha Helly is leading UP Warriors in WPL 2023. First match between Mumbai Indians and Gujarat Giants will be played at DY Patel Stadium, Navi Mumbai tonight at 7:30. The finals will be played at the Bourbon Stadium, Mumbai on March 26. In football, Bengaluru FC advanced to the semi-finals of the Indian Super League ISL after a 1-0 victory over Kerala Blasters FC at the Sri Kanti Rava Stadium in Bengaluru. Sunil Chhetri scored the only goal of the match in the 7th minute of extra time to add a 9th consecutive win for his team, which confirmed a semi-final berth for them. This after the Kerala Blasters forfeited the match in the first half of extra time. Bengaluru FC advanced to the next stage of the ISL playoffs. They will take on League Shield winners Mumbai City FC next in a two-leg semi-final on March 7 and 12, which starts with an away trip. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. 26-year-old man gets a 3 years rigorous imprisonment in 2006 Spaxmo Proxivon capsule seizure case. Mob snatches away murder accused from police at Thobal district's Mojing Awanglekai. Police laid siege to village, destroyed houses and properties, says locals. Five bullet last warning messages left at table near office of Kamakhya Pamton College principal. GIS-based master plan of Greater Imphal 2043 will make Imphal sustainable regional growth centre and gateway to Asia, says RD and PR Minister Yumnam Khemchand. And the 6th edition of Queer Games 2023 begins. Yowl raises voice to create platform and safe space for LGBTQI community in sports. Well, that's all we have today. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Manipuri Primetime News. Till then, good night and stay safe.